Hello Archit, probably seeing you for
Hi.
the first time. Good morning
Yes.
Munish ji, good morning Amit ji.
Good morning all. Good morning Munishi. Good morning
Good morning.
Apurva.
Archit was there in Spectrum, by the way.
I was, yes.
Sorry, I couldn't meet him then. So how's it going for
He was there.
everybody?
Except Anamika. Anamika is the one who missed out.
Yeah, I am the one who
Good morning.
so lovely, like everyone virtually.
Yeah.
Hi Swapnil. Hi Amit.
Good morning.
Hi,
Good morning,
hi,
Munish.
good morning,
आप तो
good
अच्छा
morning,
भाग गए
Swapnil ji.
कल. Munish last
अरे
night was in
मैम
the
तो
session and
किसी
halfway
का
through.
किसी का कॉल आ गया था, बस उसी में लग गए थे, और कुछ नहीं.
It's okay. It's okay. We are all trying to juggle a lot of things.
मुनीश जी रात में सोने से पहले लूडो खेलते हैं, तो आई थिंक वो खेल रहे हैं.
आप जो मर्जी समझो, लूडो खेलते क्या खेलते किसी को क्या पता, ये तो घर की बात है ना.
लूडो के पार्टनर भी ढूंढना इतने रात को बहुत मुश्किल होता होगा.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
I'm sure ऐप पे खेलते होंगे.
हाँ, मतलब कह रहे बच्चे कह रहे सुनने, तो क्या दिक्कत है.
बच्चे okay. Girish feeling young. Right.
Hello.
So I think somebody Harsh has joined. आप घर में चश्मा लगा के बैठे हैं? Wow.
Hi everyone.
Nice, stylish.
I just
Hi.
came back for a run.
It's okay. You can be stylish. We can do anything we want.
I'm just donning a Goa cap also in a little while.
Yeah. We can have the sea background in the. देख कल जैसे कल सेट लगाए हुए थे पीछे. अच्छा है, एक holiday feeling हो जाएगी. We are all missing.
हमें चार्जर दे दे यार.
मुझे लगा मुझे देना है क्या? Right. So how's everybody doing?
Good.
So
I
far,
think
so
everyone
good.
is going with same kind of scenario.
Anybody positive? Because yesterday we had 3 people positive in the session.
I'm
Still
positive.
came. Yeah. Oh, okay. So please take care.
मिस भाई आप
Yeah.
हो गए.
जी, मैं वाइफ दोनों हैं सर.
Right. Okay. It's always difficult when both of. But then it's एक तरीके से एक घर में किसी के पे भी आ गया तो वो technically वो सबको है, सबको isolation में जाना है.
बिल्कुल.
So, but at least these things are like, that's what I'm saying. I was just actually wrote yesterday also, but even I am like not positive or anything, but इतनी news सुन के एकदम दिमाग खराब हो रहा है. So it was nice to get away and break away from everything for an hour or so.
Mental health is disturbing a lot because of this.
Yes.
But इसके long term effects यही है mental. But this is why the mental strength is very important. Good morning, Sumit.
Good morning, everybody. I am extremely apologize for joining little late.
No,
It's okay. It's only 3 minutes. India standard में तो कहीं से भी आता ही नहीं है.
Definitely. और लखनऊ में तो वैसे भी हम लोग नवाब हैं तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं आता है.
नहीं.
5 minutes होना तो is very normal.
Normal. And yesterday somebody joined. So we finished at 10:45, and somebody joined at 10:20 or something. So it's okay. जबको जिसको जैसा time मिले, that's the beauty of Zoom, right? You can just come in and go. That's why I don't take any attendance or anything, क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा कौन कब आ रहा है, कब जा रहा है. So over to you, Priyanka. So 5 more minutes to wait. So whatever you want to discuss, what the team has plans, what do you want to do? Good morning, Vanita.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Yes.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vanita ji.
I must say this is the first session I've attended where everybody's camera is on without even.
Oh wow.
Like this is.
Mine is
Because ठीक है, it's okay. One usually मेरा ही on होता है, पता नहीं क्यों. So it's good to see that everybody is like
Yeah, it's good to see everyone's faces now.
Yeah, exactly. थोड़ा सा तो feeling होती है real. हर्ष तो definitely चले गए. Gone to Goa, Maldives. Everybody's going to
I
Maldives.
just like to introduce myself. I don't know most of the people. I joined LinkedIn a little late.
यहाँ पे कोई एक दूसरे को ज्यादा नहीं.
Few people know me. Munish ji is a good friend. We used to be in the Fit BNI cycling together. and I know a few people definitely.
एक
I know
strike मिल गया.
Yeah.
I'm just joking, by the way.
So
सब allowed है.
I like to say hello to Anamika, to Anjali ji, to Amit Vij. So lot many
Hello.
people.
Hello,
In this group there are a lot of new members. So what we were trying to do is like that's just for the comfort level. Said everybody. So don't feel that you are the new one. Because I think 2-3 लोग ऐसे हैं जो पहले से हैं. So all of you, Archit, Anamika, Amit, Swapnil, Harsh, Sumit, even Munish, आपने Spectrum ही attend किया technically, and Vikas is here. So these like all of you are kind of new members, and हम लोग बाकी लोग तो ज़माने से हैं, right Girish?
Right.
जमाने से बुजुर्ग है, ये गए फिर आप लोग.
हम जैसे होता है ना, जब मैं लिखती हूँ old member, new members, I hate the word old member. Over to you, Priyanka and Apurva. So this session is led by them. Your team lead is Priyanka, of course, and Apurva is handling the session today with her. And आप लोग please आगे का भी जो भी plan करना है वो कर लीजिए. So right, my camera is going to be turned off क्योंकि मुझे कुछ करना भी है. मैं साथ में मोबाइल में जाने वाली हूँ.
Okay. So good morning, everyone. Hi, this is Apurva.
Hi, this is Priyanka.
Hi, Apurva. Hi, Priyanka.
Hi, Apurva.
Let's just start the meeting with a very quick rapid fire round. If everybody is good to go with that.
Okay.
So we have a brand in our team called the Brand You Academy. Any guesses whose brand is that?
Archit.
So who's the one?
That's unfair. That's unfair.
I'm sorry, I'm using my phone for this today. Who answered that? We're writing down the scores also.
Girish Bhaiya.
Girish Bhaiya. So there is a brand which is led, which is for the women and for the community, for the and led by a female entrepreneur.
Nario, I believe.
And who's the life skills coach here?
Vanita ji.
Vanita ji.
So one question from the new members. Meraki is owned by
Surabhi.
And God, everybody knows that because most of you don't know. Most of the people in LinkedIn Local don't know who's behind Meraki. Anjali ji, can we have a quick round about you?
Yeah, myself is Anjali Gulati. Hi, Partha. Nice to see you. We are old friends, actually.
I beg your pardon?
Yeah, we are old friends, me and Partha. And Vinita ji, I also know Vinita ji also.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm running my QMET center and teaching students from KG to class 5th, national and international both. Plus, I'm running my boutique also from home only. Oh, Womania.
Oh, lovely, lovely. Happy to see so many women entrepreneurs in our group this time.
Thank you so much. And I design your dreams.
Can we have a quick round of introduction from Anamika? A very quick one, please.
Sure. I might probably be the youngest in the group. Like, I'm just taking a chance to say that. I was heading subscription for Big Basket before. Then I started a brand of my own. This was last year. And it's so happens that it is, like India's first women-led and run brand. We don't have a single male in the company. We do natural and organic food products. It's not that I do not like diversity. It's just that jo aata hai, wo chhod karke bhag jata hai. And we have been trying to get a few like male members, but aise hi hua hai abhi tak. So yeah, that's what we do. We work with homemakers. We work with women. In fact, we are launching something from Apurva as well, like really soon. So that's what we do. Yeah.
That's lovely. A quick introduction from you, Archit, please.
Sure. So good morning, everyone. My name is Archit, and basically I'm a learning and development practitioner. And for the past 7 years, I was working with the HR team of different banks based out of Bombay. And this year, I started my own training consultancy, which is into behavioral and soft skills by the name of the Brand You Academy. So yeah, I'm a certified behavioral and soft skills trainer. from Indian School of Management and Entrepreneurship. So that's about me.
Okay. Amit ji, what about you?
Good morning, Rubies, and myself Amit Vij. मैं अपनी कंपनी की पंच लाइन से स्टार्ट करूंगा. जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, और जो दिखता है उसे पैकिंग कहते हैं, जिसे हम बनाते हैं. My company name is Print and Pack Solution. We deals in all types of packaging. We are based in Lucknow and Kanpur. Packaging, we can say paper bag, sweet boxes, and PP, LD, HM, any type of packing material of any product. Especially we are dealing in tobacco and FMCG products. And last pandemic we had in guidance of IIT Kanpur, we have manufactured PP kit also. So this is a little bit about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Harshi, something about you, the super cool Harsh?
Yeah, trying to be cool. You know, everybody is just trying to be cool. Some very tough times going on. I am from Lucknow. Basically, I did my 12th from Army Public School, 95 batch. And after that, I moved to Delhi for some time. I worked in an MNC called Eli Lilly, a medical company. After that, I started my business in 2014. You know, me just started this furniture store in Alambagh. And then gradually, you know, my wife joined in, and then it expanded. And I am into distribution of furniture. I have some companies, brands like Neel Kamal, which I supply all over UP. And I'm into office furniture business. Majorly, I did some restaurants in Summit Building and some projects here and there in the colleges, hospitals. And yes, I am a member of BNI Prime. Also, we've got good friends in there. Just joined LinkedIn and seeing people more exciting here. All the lovely people, hello and good morning. You know, just keep good health. Thank you.
Thank you. Something about you, Samitji, please.
I'm like born and brought up in Lucknow, and I did my schooling from Colvin Talukdar's College. Then I did my law from Lucknow University after completing my BCom from there. And my father was an income tax lawyer, so I joined him in 97, 98. And since then, I am a tax consultant based in Lucknow.
Okay, thank you so much. Har fasad ki jad, Munish ji, something about you, please.
वो सब लोग काफी लोग जानते हैं मुझे फसाड की जड़ के नाम से. बेसिकली फसाड के मींस जो बिल्डिंग के बाहर जब लोग ग्लासेस देखते हैं, जो ग्लेजेस देखते हैं, उसको फसाड कहते हैं, फ्रंट फसाड कहते हैं. तो फसाड की जड़ इसलिए मेरा कुछ लोगों ने नाम रखा, हमारे कुछ मेंबर्स ने. तो बेसिकली जैसे मेरा काम फ्रंट के बिल्डिंग्स में ग्लासेस का है. जैसे आप बिल्डिंग, आपने सीबीआई बिल्डिंग देखी होगी, पीएनबी मेन ब्रांच है, मधुरिमा है, नीलकंठ है, पिगेटली होटल है. तो इस तरह जो बिल्डिंग में बाहर आप ग्लासेस देखते हो, ये मेरा काम है. प्लस यूपीवीसी विंडोज है, एल्यूमिनियम डोर विंडोज है, पार्टीशंस हैं. सहारागंज में आप 4th फ्लोर पर जितना ग्लास देखते हो, जितना एसीपी लगते हो, वो सब मेरा ही किया हुआ है. और बाकी ऑल इंडिया काम करते हैं. जैसलमेर एयरपोर्ट हो गया, आपके नेरोलैक की फैक्ट्री है, भरूच, कानपुर, और अभी पटना भी हम लोग का काम चल रहा है. तो हम लोग फसाड की जड़ हम लोग कह सकते हैं, पूर्व ने ठीक है. थैंक यू.
Girish ji, what about you?
Hi members, so मेरा नाम गिरीश माथुर है और I'm having my own IT service, IT based company, and national institutes organizations के लिए software mobile applications हम develop करते हैं. To name some, Lucknow University is one of my clients, and IITs and ITs, ISAs, ये मेरे clients हैं.
Thank you so much. Welcome Pooja ji.
Very good morning, Apurva, and very good morning, all people there. It's first of all, it's so good to see people around. I mean, forget it. Okay, so I am Pooja Kalra.
You can tell that you have been in isolation.
Yeah, I've been through the positive thing. So it's so good to see people around. And it's after 25 days I have opened up my laptop. So good to see back to normal. All right, so I am Pooja Kalra and I've been an educationist from past 15 years. And now very recently I joined my husband in our business company, which is Kellogg Organics. And we are into chemicals. Our two major products. The first one is a construction product, Thermosol, by the name of Thermosol. And this product eradicates termites and efflorescence from the walls. And this is very much useful for builders, people who are into building, who are thinking of making their own house can contact. And second very unique product is Max 10, which is for usually for grains. It procures or it maintains a nutritional and moisture value in grains. Both are organic products. So any further information, you can contact me. I'm there on LinkedIn. I'm there on Ruby Group. So good to see you all. Great. That's it.
Good to see you, Pooja.
Thank you, Parthaji. Good same here.
Thank you, everyone. So I believe our newest member lately joined, Mr. Vikas Avasthi. Can we have some info about you, please?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. My name is Vikas. Right now, I am running a preschool in the name of GD Goenka Toddler House, which is in Indiranagar. Prior to that, I have given my 15 years to the corporates like Bharti Airtel Limited, Reliance Communication, and Tata Teleservices. Thank you.
That was quick, sir. Something about Tanjot, please.
Very good morning, and it's good to see all the wonderful Lilu people. The name of my company is Cool Factory Private Limited, and we are basically into air conditioning. Our showrooms are at Hazratganj. We are basically holding stores for Mitsubishi Heavy, Hitachi, Daikin. Then you can connect us for any sort of your air conditioning solutions. Right now, we are working for 4 medical colleges. We are giving our services there. There are 4 upcoming new medical colleges in UP: Devariya, Siddharthnagar, Pratapgarh, and Hardoi. We are working there. So it would be lovely to connect with you all. Thank you so much.
Over to you, Swapnil ji. Can we know something about you, please?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Swapnil Agarwal. My company name is Investways Finserv Private Limited. I am the 2nd generation business owner in this field. We are working since 1979. We deal in mutual funds, investments, and all other investment products. Thank you.
So is anyone left? Have I missed out on someone? Mansi, good morning.
Mansi is from my team.
Okay.
Mansi?
Okay. Partha ji is left. Partha ji, can we have a small info about you? Everybody recognizes you.
No, it's not like that. Basically, I have used to work with real estate. I had a long exposure in real estate marketing, sales, project development. Right now, I am facilitating and consulting investments that coming to broadly. We have a company called Gaon Bazaar, wherein we have products like tea, which is from Arunachal Pradesh. We call it single malt tea because it is from the single origin, unsorted, unblended tea. That's in short what I am doing.
So Purva, I'll also introduce myself as well.
I was coming to you.
Yeah. So hi, I am the creative director and founder of the brand Priyanka Agarwal. I'm basically a fashion designer who is into Indian clothing wear. So I make all the hand embroidered and party wear lehengas, bridal wear, and now I'm also stepping into groom's wear as well. So right now I have my showroom in Chowk. I have a plan to open in Gomti Nagar, but due to this current situation, let's see will it be opened or not. But still, I have my plans. Yeah.
Okay, introducing myself now. I am Purva Bhargav. I started as a baker, but eventually I turned into a food preservation specialist. We've been winning the award from Raj Bhavan for the past 3 years for our jams, achars, and pickle and squashes. Whatever is with us is absolutely pure and traditional. Nothing with us would be organic. It can be, but hardly kuch organic hota hai. But everything which we have is pure, desi, and purane zamane ka. Do try our squashes. You'll get that Dadi Ma ke times wala taste. Thank you. I believe everybody has a little extra time today.
Mansi wants to say something. I think she put her hand up.
Hi, Mansi. Good morning.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. I am Mansi and I am an undergraduate student. And for now, I am connected to LinkedIn Connect. And other than that, I have certain hobbies, and I believe in creativity, and I do content writing. I do graphic designing a little, and these are my forte. And this is all about me.
Happy to have you with us, Mansi.
Thank you so much.
So before we start the main game, let us just have a very quick round of the rose and the thorn game. So the rose, the beautiful flower, comes along with thorns. So everything comes with little challenges. So we expect every member to tell one thing, the rose, which they're grateful about, which makes them positive, which they're happy, which they're proud about. And one thorn, a challenge, something which they want to share with us, maybe something with which we can support them. So one rose and one thorn for every member.
So we'll start with Anjali, Apurva.
Anjali ji.
No, you can please someone else first.
So let's start with Archit then.
Yeah. Thank you.
Attendance roll ke hisab se chal rahe. It starts with A always.
After Archit, I'll be there.
Anjali.
So I think the rose in my life, if you ask me, what's been the most pleasant thing was that this January 2021, I became the youngest training lead of one of the leading banks in our country, which is Kotak Mahindra Bank. And there are just 5 training leads for about 50,000 employees that Kotak Mahindra has. And I became one of the training leads in January. And mostly you will see that people don't really quit when they get promoted. But when I got promoted as the training lead, I decided to put down my papers because I thought that was the time for me to start my own training consultancy. Now, since you mentioned that, rose has some thorns in it. I mean, the flower comes with certain thorns. So one big challenge, and especially in today's time, is because you can't really step out to meet people. You can't go out and have meetings. And behavioral and soft skills is comparatively a new concept, at least in UP and Lucknow. Okay, people outside do understand what's the importance of this, how does that make a difference, but it gets very difficult to convince somebody and explain the importance of how will it impact the life of an individual. So that's a thorn that I'm facing, but I think, as the time will pass, people will realize this, and most likely we will become at par with some other developed cities of our country.
Anyone who has some good ideas on how we can help Archit, please connect with him. Anjali ji, अब आपकी बारी, अभी भी wait करें हम?
I'm not understanding this. Is it related with my work or is it related with my nature?
Anything. One rose and one thorn.
See, I'm working in 2 different phases. One is my interest and one is my passion. Like teaching is my passion. I was teaching since 15 years in Lucknow Public School. Then I left that job and joined the QMath. And QMath in my life and during this situation, during COVID time, it has become the bunch of roses for me because lots of exposure we get during this COVID time.
So that is something which kept you busy always.
Yeah, always. All day and night.
Anjali ma'am, you are not audible.
Anjali,
कुछ नेट प्रॉब्लम है मुझे लग रहा है. आ गया.
अंजलि जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. There is some. Ma'am, maybe we'll come to you next. एक बार जब थोड़ा sort हो जाता है. Coming to Amit Vij ji. Amit ji, the rose and the thorn.
Thank you. Rose तो बहुत सारे हैं लाइफ में. गॉड्स की बहुत ब्लेसिंग्स रही हैं. तो
bunch of roses हैं आपकी लाइफ में.
एक अभी क्या है, अभी जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तो जुलाई में मेरी डॉटर हुई है. शी इज नाउ 8 months. तो एक वो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी सी हैप्पीनेस है घर में. थोड़ा केयर भी करनी पड़ रही है थोड़ा लॉकडाउन के कारण. पर कमिंग टू ऑन प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, अगर मैं बिजनेस का देखूं तो हम लोग 4 स्टेट में काम कर रहे थे, यूपी, उत्तराखंड एंड बिहार. एंड लास्ट ईयर बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग अ BNI एंड हम लोगों ने सोचा था कि हम लोग इसको 3 या 4 स्टेट में और करेंगे. तो आई थैंक्स टू BNI ऑल्सो एंड सब लोग जानते ही हैं जो लोग BNI के मेंबर हैं। और उसके अलावा भी हम लोग ने 3 से 4 स्टेट में, जैसे राजस्थान, MP एंड हैदराबाद, इनमें काम स्टार्ट किया और ये बहुत ही अच्छा रहा। और ये सारा चीज एक और मैं आपको बताऊंगा, इसमें 80% सेल मेरी जो है डिजिटलाइजेशन से हुई है। मैंने इंडिया मार्ट और जितने भी ये सारे टूल्स थे इन सबको रैपिडली सबको 1 by 1 ऐड किया। तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा, मेरा सेल्स के टारगेट्स हम लोगों के सारे ही अचीव हुए। तो एक ये चीज थी। थ्रोन्स अगेन अ बिग चैलेंज की जो ये इस समय पैंडेमिक चल रही है, क्योंकि विजिट नहीं कर सकते कहीं पर भी, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो थोड़े से बिजनेस चैलेंजेस ऐसे आ गए हैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों के कनेक्ट में आते नहीं हैं, तो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस आ जाते हैं, जैसे कि वो लोग फोन ना पिक करना या कुछ ऐसे चीजें। तो ये सब चीजें ट्रांजैक्शनल हैं, न्यू हैं। आई होप ये सारी चीजें ठीक हो जाएंगी। और मेरे को एक चैलेंज आ रहा है जिसमें आपसे सब लोगों से मैं चाहूंगा, मैं स्वीट्स शॉप्स में कनेक्शन चाहूंगा, खासकर 56 भोग लखनऊ में, अगर वहां कोई मेरा कोई एंट्री या कोई लिंक करवाना चाहे। एंड थैंक यू
सर। मैंने कितनी बार आपको बोला है 56 भोग के लिए, तो
मैं बात करता हूँ आप जरूर। थैंक यू।
So the youngest in the crowd, Anamika.
I don't think I'm the youngest now.
No,
I saw Mansi. Kind of beats me at that.
You're the youngest entrepreneur. Mansi is still in that process of
that way,
coming up.
That way, yes. So coming to roses, I think it's basically the feeling of getting up every day and, you know, doing something that I love. Getting recognition from homemakers, you know, जब वो फोन करके बोलती हैं कि यार मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that I earned so much or I made sales of this much, और you know आज मेरी पेपर में फोटो निकली थी, they printed my interview in iNext or wherever. That's sort of the rose in my life right now, and being able to make people eat healthy and eat good. Thorns, personal or professional है मेरे लिए. The personal thorn is I have not spoken to my dad for the last 11 months because he did not want me to pursue this business because I had to drop my MBA and do this. The second thing is sort of convincing retailers that, you know, this is not a very big brand and you cannot ask me for 40-50% margin. That has been a challenge because coming from the same background, अगर मेरा ही 50% नहीं बनता है तो यार मैं तुम्हें 50% कैसे दे दूँ, right? So that's sort of been a thorn. That being said, there are a bunch of stores like Local Mart, Jivanya I spoke to, then there is Divine Herbals that we're getting listed at. So if there's any of you who has more connects to stores in Lucknow, do let me know, who sort of like, you know, vibe with our ethos. मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि पैसा कमाना और billionaire बनना है. That's sort of not what we are trying to do over here. So that's me. Like rose काफी है. Thorns छोटे मोटे हैं, we'll deal with it.
Thorns भी बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाएंगे. The way you're progressing, Anamika. Very happy to see you. Good morning, Prashant ji. Welcome to LinkedIn.
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
आज संडे है, आज BNI डे नहीं है.
संडे वैसे भी BNI नहीं होता.
Sir, आपका what do you say? This backdrop is saying कि आज BNI day है.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
I would request everybody not to take BNI's name instead of BNI. I'd be happy if you can call some networking या कुछ और word ले लीजिए. Please LinkedIn local की meeting में BNI use करिए. Surbhi will be very happy when I said that. I'm sure.
I forgot to remove.
I always joke about it. That's all. आप लोग इतने प्यार से बात करते हैं, कहते हो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग LinkedIn के बारे में इतने प्यार से बात करें.
Let's just call it another networking place or something.
BNI is absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. Don't worry.
Okay.
That is it.
I removed my virtual background.
It's okay. It's okay. It's a good community anyways. So absolutely fine. We're all trying to do the same thing.
आप अपना पिक्चरगंज का बैकग्राउंड लगाइए. That's much more beautiful.
Okay.
Backgrounds.
Nice idea, sir.
Sumit ji, something about you, please. The roses and the thorns.
If we talk about positive things, I always try to have a positive attitude in life, and I love to help people. And I always believe if you want to help somebody without any of your vested interest or that, so there will be many ways which will crop up and you will be able to help that person. I have many examples like that also. We can discuss about them sometime later. And challenges, they keep coming, and I feel I leave all challenges to the God. He shows me the path and I get through them very easily. I'm like very grateful to the God Almighty. Thank you.
Hats off to the positive attitude, sir. Munish ji, something about your roses, thorns and those?
My bunch of roses, बहुत सारे मेरे पास. सबसे बढ़िया जो मेरे को भगवान से मिला मेरी wife. That's my family. और तो
ये रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा और सुनाना पड़ेगा हमें तो.
हाँ जी, sorry.
ये तो रिकॉर्ड करके सुनाना पड़ेगा.
हाँ बिल्कुल 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 कोई बात नहीं. And my satisfied customers, करीब 24 साल हो मुझे काम करते हुए, तो I've got a recognition from many of my customers, और that is my work जो लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. तो बाकी thorns कोई नहीं. I'm satisfied with everything. Thank you.
Wow. Swapnil ji, अब आपकी बारी. The roses and the thorns, the positives and the challenges maybe. Please unmute yourself, sir.
As I am a investment advisor, then तो इसमें क्या होता है कि हमारे पास challenges बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं कि भाई investor की expectations बहुत ज़्यादा होती हैं. मार्केट क्या कह रही है हमें उसी हिसाब से, उसके अलावा मतलब उसी में से इन्वेस्टर को प्रॉफिट भी देना होता है. तो जहाँ तक रोजेस की बात है तो बहुत सारे हैं, जैसे कि बहुत जगह पे चैलेंजेस आए हैं. हमने इन्वेस्टर्स को मार्केट से अलग जा कर के भी अर्न करके दिया है. और जहाँ तक थ्रोन्स की बात है तो थ्रोन्स तो ये रहे कि भाई कहीं कहीं हम इन्वेस्टर्स की या जैसे जो आजकल पेंडेमिक चल रहा है इसमें बहुत सारे लोगों के इंश्योरेंसेस वगैरह थे जिसमें उनको उसकी वजह से हेल्प नहीं मिल पा रही है. तो वहाँ पे हमारे लिए काफ़ी चैलेंज होता है कि हमें उनकी किसी भी तरह से हेल्प करवानी होती है.
Thank you, Swapnil ji. To Prashant ji, a very quick introduction about you. Also, the roses and the thorns in your life. I know there's a big bunch of roses which you have, and some maybe एक दो thorns तो होंगे ही.
हाँ. Thank
maybe
you so much, Apurva. I represent the real estate business and a photography studio in this platform. The name of my company is Bassi Infra Developers. I deal in plots, residential plots at Mohanlalganj and Bakshi Ka Talab. उसमें रोजेस ये होते हैं कि हमारे पास छोटे छोटे प्लॉट्स के साइजेस हैं जिसमें इजीली हम किसी भी कस्टमर को दे देते हैं, उसे अच्छा प्रॉफिट भी बुक करवा देते हैं, उसे रीसेल भी करवा देते हैं. थ्रॉन्स में ये आता है कि जैसे रियल एस्टेट का बिजनेस बहुत ज़्यादा शक की नज़र से देखा जाता है लखनऊ के अंदर, खासकर जबकि वो लैंड या प्लॉट्स के बारे में बात की जाए. तो अपने आप को सही प्रूव करना, अपने आप को ऑनेस्ट प्रूव करना कि मैं इन फ्यूचर भी आपके साथ ऐसे ही जुड़ा रहूँगा जैसे सेल करने से पहले हो, तो वो सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज आता है कि अपने आप को ऑनेस्ट कैसे प्रूव किया जाए. और बाकी सब चीज़ें ठीक है लाइफ में. अच्छे लोग मिल रहे हैं, अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है, लोग भरोसा कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, Prashant ji. Parth ji, something about you?
What? Something?
Parth ji se. Parth
Okay,
ji, if you could please unmute yourself.
Yes, I would say roses, a lot of roses. You can't, it's very difficult to say one out of those bunches. Thorns भी as such ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. This trying times is going on. It's difficult to get investments and all those things due to this pandemic. It's hit once again. That's all. Nothing more.
Harsh ji has been waiting for his chance. Harsh ji, अब आप बताइए about the roses and the thorns.
Okay, I'll just tell a few thorns, and you people can guess about the rose after that. So I just send you somebody who tells you कि तुम अपने friends के साथ जाते हो, you're always so late, come back home at time. And you're not going for collection of your payments from your business partners. खाना खा लो, अभी खाना नहीं खाया है, सुबह से बैठे हो, अभी तक कुछ नहीं खाया है. And ये क्यों पहना है? This clothes is not looking nice. You should be looking something better. And you talk too much. So you can guess, who says all these things.
I believe these are the real life thorns which everybody has. इसके बिना तो जिंदगी अधूरी है.
And I like to say
that
my
is actually not thorn. Those are the roses actually. There is someone to care for you.
भाभी पीछे खड़ी है.
सामने खड़ी है, सुन रही है.
I'll come to that. You know, my wife has been the rose in my life. I believe that's among all the people here, you know, for every one of us is been there. It's very true. And मेरे साथ और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा इसलिए because she's my business partner also. In fact, she's taken over my business, and I'm a free man. She's the one who's taking care of all the business. The worst thing about Lucknow, I'll say that Munish ji will also agree with me, is that the payment problem is the biggest thorn, I believe, you know, that we good people, you know, who supplying on trust to all our clients, to our shopkeepers, dealers, to the hospitals, colleges and all, you know, and running after payments in this pandemic time, that becomes a big of a pain, you know, and you really have to, that's the biggest thorn. And I like, you know, to tell everyone right now, and that if somebody is in need of, your vendor is in need of payments right now, I suppose you go out to them and give them the payments. This is what I am doing also, because I'm seeing that so many people in this tough time, they're just running away. They're not picking calls for the payments time. And that in business is a very bad thing here, I believe, in Lucknow.
Harsh bhai, ये तो part and parcel of the business है. ये thorns नहीं खाओगे इसको यार, ये तो लगा ही रहेगा.
नहीं, ये लखनऊ में ज़्यादा
सबके साथ होगा, इसमें कोई thorn है ही नहीं, वो तो है ही part and parcel.
Sir, ये छोटे से छोटे और बड़े से बड़े बिजनेस के साथ I believe हो रहा है, even with the
इधर ज़्यादा है, लखनऊ में बहुत ज़्यादा problem है. This is a
you
problem.
know, my friends down from Bangalore and
they don't face that kind of problems.
From South India, they just don't want to come and work here in UP.
Exactly.
For that reason, the main problem is that the people don't have a normal, you know, human behavior here. And this is something that people should improve, I believe. You know, if we improve on ourselves, maybe it improves completely.
There is a lack of professionalism. I agree.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Something from you, Pooja ji, please. The roses and the thorns.
Yeah, I'm here. Roses, God has been very kind. A lot of blessings, professionally and personally as well. And I see myself as a very optimistic person, and that's, I think, is a kind of rose and it's a kind of thorn as well, right? And talking about thorns, yes, as everybody has said, we are going through testing times. Business has been suffering a lot, but as an optimist, I feel that this all will end soon, shall end soon, and then we'll come back to our normals. That's it, nothing much.
Vikas ji, something about you, the roses and the thorns?
Yeah, sure. For roses, last year, I have decided to put my papers, and I have started my journey of education, and I have taken the franchisee of GD Goenka. And the thorn part is like, since the pandemic time is going on, and we have just started the business, and it's still going on like this, since education is the soft target for our government. So we are closed since long. It's my all-time investment, what I have done to this. Let's see what will happen next.
Don't worry, time will change very soon.
Time will change.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Good morning, Neha ji. Welcome. I think she's still a little busy. Girish ji, something about you, please.
Something about me. Okay, so
no, not about you. About the roses and the thorns.
Yeah, roses. Yes. So thorns तो 10 साल पहले जब मैंने काम शुरू किया था थोड़े बहुत thorns हुआ करते थे. Recently ऐसा कुछ नहीं. I am enjoying my life. And जैसे अभी मैं सुन रहा था, people towards me are very good. Payments कभी problem नहीं आते, and सब लोग साथ देते हैं. It's only the situations which tends to like वो phone नहीं उठाते या कुछ नहीं उठाते. But everybody is very nice to me. And roses, एक छोटा सा एक रोज का बताता हूँ कि कुछ 1.5 साल पहले मेरी मौसी और मेरी मम्मी ने एक बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था 2 बेबी टॉयज। तो उसका जब मैं थोड़ा प्रमोशन और थोड़ा मार्केटिंग करता हूँ तो जो मदर्स एंड बच्चों के जो फीडबैक्स मिलते हैं उससे बहुत मजा आता है सुन के। दे आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड खिलौने मिलते हैं। एंड ये पैंडेमिक के समय भी जब हम उनको खिलौने डिलीवर करते हैं उनके गेट के बाहर एंड दे पिक एंड वो अंदर जाते हैं, वहां से फोटो भेजते हैं कि बच्चे कितने मजा कर रहे हैं, तो इट्स रियली एंजॉयिंग है, देखने में मजा आता है। तो दैट्स द रोजेस, क्योंकि मेरी भी छोटी बच्ची है, वो भी इंजॉय करती है टॉयज और खिलौने, बस वही है मजेदार चीज है।
I can relate.
Thank you, Giriji. Tanjot, something about the roses and thorns in your business life, something, anything which you'd like to share?
Yes, Apurva, there are many. Talking of the roses, like I was out of the city for like 5 years, and after coming back, it was very long time since I have spent some good time with my family. So this lockdown period was something we call a blessing in disguise. I got a lot of time to spend with my family. Then secondly, talking of something like friends, like obviously you lose a lot of friends when you are out of the city for such a long time. When I came back, I joined some networking group. So they gave me a lot of friends as well. So these were the roses. And then talking of thorns, like frankly speaking, everybody has a lot of thorns and there is no point cribbing over it. So we cannot realize the beauty of a rose until and unless it accompanies with thorns. So they are complementing to each other, and rest all is good. Thank you so much.
That's wonderful.
Purva, unmute yourself, please.
I'm so sorry. Good morning, Neha ji. Good morning, Rakshit. Good morning, Devika.
Good morning, all.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Apurva. Good morning, everyone. Sorry for joining at so late.
Good morning, Neha ji. Neha ji, a small description about you and then the roses and the thorns in your life or your business. Anything you'd like to share with us?
I guess my voice is off.
We'd be happy to see your beautiful faces, everybody who switched off the videos.
Hi all, I'm Neha Bhatt. By profession, I'm a fashion designer. And I had started my brand Neha Pret & Couture, which is women's wear and kids wear. It's by appointment. I don't have a studio. So the major thorn in my business is I'm still looking out for good pathway to start my thing and showcase my stuff. And I'm a fitness enthusiast as well and a yoga practitioner, so and an artist. So things are going hand in hand. Because of this lockdown, things are quite slow. So right now I'm just enjoying myself at home with kids and parents at home. Looking forward for new ventures, planning for predation and skills and all. Thank you so much.
Rakshit, something about you, please.
I think Rakshit
I think he has
Rakshit has left.
Rakshit has left. Anybody left for the roses and thorns in their life? Anjali ji, अब आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगी? Some issue, अभी भी नहीं आ रही आवाज अंजलि जी आपकी. एक बार आप reconnect करने की कोशिश करिए. If you could leave the meeting and join in again, please. Anyone who's left?
ये chat पे डाल सकते हैं अगर कुछ नहीं है तो.
Okay, so let's come to the main thing, spilling the beans, coffee and stories. That's a great combination, I believe. So I'll give everybody a start and I'll give everybody a liner and us liner ko lekar they'll have to tell up a story. So let us start with, whom shall we start with? Anybody would like to come forward?
Hello, Apurva. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, आप roses thorns के बारे में बता दीजिए.
हाँ, yes. Previously, I told about my roses only. That is
yes,
my center. Yeah. For the thorns now, like I'm running my boutique also, and boutique is my interest. And nowadays, due to this COVID only, I'm suffering a lot. बंद करने की कागार पे आ गया है because now these tailors are not cooperative. Moreover, customers are not coming. सब अब जो है काफी वो उसमें जा रहा है. तो I wanted to start from the beginning in the sense I want to introduce something new. उसके लिए I need to make a website. I'm searching a person who can make a good website for me. So this is my help. It's a thorn nowadays in my life. I'm busy and thinking about how to give a new look to my boutique. And I want to go digital, more on the online platform.
Ma'am,
So,
just a suggestion to you. We have a lot of designers on our LinkedIn local group. Why don't you once connect with them and see how they're managing their things?
yeah, definitely. I'll talk them personally also. But if someone is there who can help me out in the website, making website and all.
Girish is there.
Girish is there.
आप बस एक बार group में डालिए मैम. You'll get so many options with it.
And Neha is in the same boat. What I was trying to say was Neha is in the same boat.
Okay.
So aap aur Neha, matlab the thing is, you both have almost the same requirements. So you both can talk to each other, and then फिर join forces से थोड़ा easy हो जाएगा.
Definitely. Yes, definitely. I'll contact her.
Ma'am, this is a time for collaborating, for networking. The more you collaborate, the more you discuss with people, उतना ही benefit आपको मिलेगा. I think you discuss your problems, you suggest people about the goods you have, you will benefit yourself. So I believe इस time पे, इस situation में जितना आप collaborate करना चाहोगे, जितना network करना चाहोगे, जितना discuss करना चाहोगे, that will give you the maximum benefit, I would say.
Definitely, sure. I'll do with Neha and I'll do with Girish also. Thanks for suggesting two names. Yeah.
Thank you. So let us start about the storytelling session. So let us start with my co-host, Priyanka Agarwal. Priyanka, so the line for you is, and because of that. So 1.5 minutes to you, and आपका starting होगा, and because of that.
And because of that, so it will be just because I have thought that my passion is designing and everything, but right now the challenges I am facing is I want to take my this Priyanka Agarwal into a national level, but because I think due to this pandemic I cannot make this thing into a bigger picture. So because there are so many problems which I'm facing right now, I cannot like put this into upfront. I think Apurva, that's it I want to say.
Okay. Devika, are you there? I think she's tied up. Vikas ji, are you there?
Yes.
And finally, it happened. So that's the start for your story.
Okay. So, as I have told earlier also, while introducing myself, I have given my 15 years to the corporates. But while pursuing my engineering, it was my all-time passion that I used to go into an education field. And finally, because of that, I got the opportunity after 15 years to open my preschool, and step by step, just wanted to go into the education field. It was like my dream to serve the kids as well as the students. Apart from that, it's my dream to open the chain of schools. Let's see what will happen in the future. Thank you.
Tanjoj, for you, it is every day. The word is every day.
सॉरी आई डिडंट गेट यू, एक बार आप फिर से बताना एवरीडे मेरा लाइन कैसे स्टार्ट होना है? एवरीडे
आप एवरीडे से आगे स्टोरी बढ़ा लो, आप ये भी बोल सकते हो एवरीडे मुनीश जी कॉल्स मी, आप टेक्स मी फॉर द जिम,
एग्जैक्टली, आप तो वही बोलते जो मुझे बोलना था, एवरीडे मुनीश जी कॉल्स मी अप फॉर द जिम, अभी जब तक ये चीज नहीं हुई थी, एंड एवरीडे आई हैड टू गिव हिम सम और द अदर एक्सक्यूज, तो यस।
So तंजोत जी हमारे ऐसे हैं ग्रुप में that every day he used to get a call for going to the gym, और फिर शर्त लगती थी अगर तुम 3 दिन जिम जाओगे तो हम चाय पिलाएंगे वीकेंड पे, और अगर तुम नहीं जाओगे तो तुम पिलाओगे।
हर बार मुझे पिलानी पड़ती थी।
पूजा जी, for you it is जब we met ...
जब we met,
बता दो अपने कहानी।
जब we met, me and Subi, a beautiful friendship happened and LinkedIn Local happened.
थोड़ा सा
it's true, she inspired me, तुम कर लोगे, so it's true. The silent backbone.
So it's actually जब we met, I talk about this friendship with Surabhi and our journey together till now. She's been a great help in the past 15-20 days, and many more years to this friendship. That's it.
Cheers to this bond. Good morning, Arvind ji. Happy to see you here. Happy to have you here.
Namaskaram. Thanks for the welcome. Yes.
Sir, for you the line is ये इतना आसान था कि ...
यस, ये इतना आसान था कि मैंने भी नहीं सोचा था कि जब मैं ट्रेनिंग में आऊंगा और अपनी कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ को छोड़ के ट्रेनिंग का काम शुरू करूंगा, लोगों की लाइफ को इन्फ्लुएंस करना शुरू करूंगा, तो मुझे कभी भी नहीं लगा था कि ये शायद इतना आसान होगा। लेकिन जैसा कि मैंने कल बताया था कि मेरा जो एक मोटिव है, दैट इज इवॉल्विंग योरसेल्फ, तो रोज मैं कुछ ना कुछ अपने आप को बेहतर बनाता हूँ, मे बी बाय अ फ्रैक्शन ऑफ परसेंटेज व्हाट आई एम। और जब रोज को खुद ना खुद थोड़ा बेहतर बनाता हूँ तो कुछ दिनों बाद देखता हूँ कि मैं एक दिन बिल्कुल परिवर्तित इंसान बन चुका हूँ। मैं आपको बताऊं एक बड़े मजेदार किस्सा। जब मैं शुरू में लोहिया पार्क में वॉक करने जाता था तो शुरू में शायद 3000 स्टेप्स से ज्यादा नहीं कर पाता था। उसके बाद 3000 से कुछ दिन 3500 स्टेप्स किए, फिर देन आई वेंट टू 5000 स्टेप्स एंड 6000 स्टेप्स, एंड ग्रेजुअली बढ़ते बढ़ते 6 months after 6 months I was running. I was taking 2 rounds of लोहिया, not only walking but running. तो ये इतना आसान नहीं था, लेकिन आसान हो गया। तो दोस्तों, इंसान के धैर्य के आगे सब कुछ छोटा है, तो अपने धैर्य को बढ़ाइए और सब कुछ आसान हो जाएगा। Over to you, Purva.
Very inspiring. Thank you, sir. Harsh ji, for you it is like जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ ...
जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ दोस्त बन जाते हैं, प्यार हो जाता है, मौसम बढ़िया हो जाता है, दिन मजेदार हो जाता है। जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ लॉकडाउन भी हो जाता है, झाड़ू पोछा भी करना पड़ता है, बाथरूम भी साफ करना पड़ता है। जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ मुझे बहुत भूख भी लगती है और खाने को बहुत सारी चीजें दिखती हैं, लेकिन मैं खा भी नहीं पाता हूँ क्योंकि मैं मोटा हो जाता हूँ। जहाँ मैं जाता हूँ वहां पे लिंक्डइन के आजकल सब लोग मिल जाते हैं, जीवन्या नेचुरल्स मिल जाता है, स्वीट नथिंग मिल जाता है। जहां मैं जाता हूँ बस मेरा हो गया इतनी।
जहां मैं जाता हूँ वहां फर्नीचर बिक जाता है।
So coming to Neha ji, and that day I was very lazy ... Please unmute yourself.
This line is happening for me these days. The laziness got me into where I was getting up and all. So, can you just repeat the line?
And that day I was very lazy.
And that day I was very lazy. It took me long to motivate myself. I started with my stretching, my yoga session, my cup of warm water, and then I got going with my sketches, with my artwork, and it made my day, it energized my day. So that is how I am utilizing my lockdown period now. Again, the season 2, starting with all my sketches and paintings, which will keep me motivated and positive at the same time, which is the need of the hour right now.
Okay.
That's all.
Munish ji, for you it is, and it finally happened.
Sorry, I was on a call. It finally happened. इसके बारे में फाइनली हैपेंड। प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं मेरे जो कि मैं एक जैसलमेर एयरपोर्ट का प्रोजेक्ट था जो कि मैं चाह रहा था मुझे मिल जाए, और बड़ी मेहनत की थी उसके लिए हम लोगों ने काम करने के लिए, और साल भर तक उसे कोटेशन भरते रहे, एंड फाइनली हैपेंड, आई गॉट इट एंड डिड माय जॉब। तो बहुत अच्छा था।
Now Amit Vijji, something interesting for you. Finally, I met that client.
Great. मैं 2 चीजों के ऊपर बहुत ही विश्वास रखता हूँ। एक रामदेव जी की कहते हैं जब वो योगा करवाते हैं कि करने से होगा, और एक एयरटेल का पंच है बात करने से बात बनती है। तो मैं ये 2 चीजों के ऊपर इतना जोर देता हूँ कि कैसे नहीं होगा। तो व्हाट आई डिड कि एक कस्टमर है कोलकाता के 56 भोग, उनसे हम लोग चाह रहे थे कि काम हो, नहीं हो पा रहा था, तो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स थे माइंड में। तो व्हाट आई हैड डन, आई हैड पिक्ड 2-3 बॉक्सेस एंड उनके नाम की ब्रांडिंग करके और सब कुछ करके उनको भेजा हमने। और इस पूरे काम को करने में करीबन 6-7 महीने हो गए कि एक बार मैं कोलकाता गया भी, उनसे मिला भी। दे हैव अ ह्यूज शॉप जो हमारे लखनऊ के 56 भोग है, उससे काफी बड़ा ब्रांड है 56 भोग। और मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा 56 भोग इंडिया में करीबन 32 56 भोग हैं, लखनऊ वाले अलग है, हर एक जगह अलग अलग है। तो उनसे 3-4 राउंड हुए, कमिंग बैक टू माय स्टोरी, कि मैं करता रहा पर नहीं हुआ। पर जब मैंने उनके नाम के 3-4 यूनिक प्रोडक्ट बना के भेजे, देन आई गॉट द ऑर्डर। एंड मैं सॉरी पंच लाइन भूल गया अपनी कि क्या था। तो
फाइनली आई मेट दैट क्लाइंट,
एंड फाइनली आई मेट 2 बार मेरा ऑर्डर हो गया है, उनसे रिपीट भी हो गया है। सो फाइनली आई गेट द क्लाइंट। Thank you. Over to Apurva.
Thank you, Prashant ji. For you, it is every day. Every day.
Every day. मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को बेटर बनाऊं, लेकिन बना नहीं पाता। Every day मैं सोचता हूँ कि मेरा कंपटीशन प्रशांत बस्सी से हो, लेकिन हो नहीं पाता। एवरी डे मैं धीरे धीरे अपने आप को बढ़ाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, और कभी कभी मैं सक्सेसफुल भी रहता हूँ, कभी कभी फेल हो जाता हूँ।
Just to tell everyone, Prashant ji has really helped those COVID patients, and he's been a great support to a lot of people in the past few days. प्रशांत जी थोड़ा सा एक बार उसके बारे में बताइए, what all you've done. Something inspirational you'd like to share.
हमारा एक छोटा सा ग्रुप है जिसमें हम ब्लड डोनर्स अरेंज कराते हैं। इसमें हमारे पास जितने भी ब्लड डोनर्स हैं वो सारे वॉलंटरी रहते हैं। कोई जैसे मैंने अपूर्वा की अपूर्वा का कोई पेशेंट है, अपूर्वा की हेल्प की, तो हेल्प करने के बाद में हम उन्हें कहते हैं कि आप भी ब्लड डोनर बनिए, या आप भी कभी सपोर्ट करिए किसी वॉलंटरी कैंप में, या किसी प्लाज्मा डोनेशन में, एसडीपी डोनेशन में, किसी भी तरीके से। तो हमें कहने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, बंदा अपने आप ही जुड़ जाता है। तो ऐसे करते करते आज की डेट में हमारे पास पूरी इंडिया के अंदर ब्लड डोनर्स, प्लाज्मा डोनर्स, एसडीपी डोनर्स बहुत सारे हैं। और ईश्वर की कृपा से कभी हमारी ऐसी कोई कॉल खाली नहीं गई कि किसी ने डिमांड की हो कि मेरे को ये इतना ब्लड चाहिए, इतनी यूनिट चाहिए, इस शहर में चाहिए, तो हम अरेंज करा देते हैं। लेकिन इन दिनों जो पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है, इन दिनों काफ़ी चैलेंजेस हैं, प्लाज्मा डोनर्स की बहुत ज़्यादा कमी है। तो मेरी आप सब लोगों से यही एक गुजारिश है कि आपके कांटेक्ट में कोई भी ऐसे पेशेंट हो कोविड रिकवर्ड, जो जन फेब या मार्च तक कोविड रिकवरी हो चुकी हो, तो उनका नाम हमें सजेस्ट करें, जिससे हम उन्हें प्लाज्मा आने वाले पेशेंट डोनेट करा सकें।
प्रशांत, आई सजेस्ट माय सेल्फ।
ओके, ठीक है अरविंद भाई।
And so do I. Also, I have a rare blood group which is B negative.
Okay.
And I always, I've been donating blood twice every year, once on Republic Day and once on Independence Day for the past 5 years now. So if I can be of any help, Prashantji, I'll be more than happy to assist you in this cause.
I'll connect both of you in my group.
Thank you so much. I believe the purpose of this meeting has beautifully been fulfilled.
और मेरे को कोविड हुआ था. कोविड होने के बाद मैं 3 बार प्लाज्मा डोनेट कर चुका हूँ. I'm healthy. There is no problem in donating.
Surbhi, it's your chance now. Are you there? And then I found vintage.
I'm there. Sorry?
And then I found vintage machine. ...
I was on the lookout for a best coffee in town in a peaceful place and a Wi-Fi, and I found vintage machine, and it found me. That's the place you'll find me every time you're looking for me.
Surbhi, that's a mini Hilton then.
That's it. या तो मैं Hilton में पाई जाती हूँ या vintage machine में या राघव की चाय पे.
So coming to Vikas ji now. Vikas ji, I think आपका हो गया है.
Yes, मेरा हो गया.
Okay, Sumit ji.
Yes, please.
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, I met my beautiful wife in Lucknow University days. We got married. We have 3 lovely, beautiful daughters, and we are enjoying our lives. Thankful to the God, and just wishing this pandemic to get over so that everybody is getting blessings from the God. Thank you.
Can I just say something? I love the part when he said, I met my wife and we got married. That was so sweet.
Thank you.
Sumit, you must have met a girl who you made your wife. At that time, it was just a girl when you met her.
उनका नजरिया ही वही था.
Right.
मोहब्बत से भरा हुआ.
Yes, देखा, this is my wife. That's really sweet. Nice to hear some good stories. Yes.
He got the banana of his life, right?
Okay. I'm coming to you. One fine day. ... Archit, that was for you. One fine day. Could you please unmute yourself?
Yes. Yeah. One fine day. ... Okay. So one fine day, a man goes to a monk and says, "Sir, can you teach me the principle of success? Can you teach me the principle of success?" The monk ignored the question because he found the timing of the question a little awkward because he was taking a bath in the middle of a river. So the man asks this question again. Getting irritated by this question, the monk asks that person, "Son, can you come inside the water?" Once that person stands next to that monk, he says, "Do you really want to know the secret of success?" He says, "Yes." So the monk puts his hand around the shoulder of this man and pushes him down inside the water. Seeing that man getting uncomfortable, kicking for his life, after a few seconds, the man breaks himself free, comes up and says, "What the hell is wrong with you? I asked you a simple question and you were trying to drown me." So the monk smiles and says, "There you have the answer to the secret of success. If you are so desperate to achieve your vision in life that you can do anything to survive, that is the day no force can stop you from being success." So yeah, one fine day. There it goes.
Fantastic.
Interesting. Good one.
For you, Anamika, and from there I got inspired. ... A lot of people don't know about your story, so I thought this would be a nice thing.
That's actually a very good line. So here's the thing. From there I got inspired. वो शायद मेरी story के बीच में आएगा. What happened was I had come down last birthday, and I am from Lucknow, but we currently have shifted to Gorakhpur. So my mom used to make this one like really, really nice spice blend, right? And I thrown a welcoming party of sorts in Bangalore, and everyone liked the kebabs that we'd made. Some of them remembered that it was sort of like the Galati kebabs in Lucknow, and others were like, अगली बार ना जब घर जाना तो आंटी से एक्स्ट्रा लेकर के आना, because we want to taste it. Then I came down for my birthday last year and I asked my mom, why don't you launch this? People are really liking it. And she shrugged the whole thing off, saying that, you know, चार लोग क्या बोलेंगे. And just to give you guys a brief, I come from a political background. तो जो दादाजी से मिलने आते हैं वो लोग बोलेंगे घर पे पैसे की कमी हो गई थी क्या, तुमने ये क्यों चालू किया, ये वो. And that sort of didn't fit right. Like I started talking to friends of my mom to understand if someone has really started something of her own, or अगर वो उनको उनसे बात करके कुछ कर. My mom was going through menopause, and I wanted people to sort of help her divert herself from whatever she was going through. And what I realized was I had a bigger problem at hand. There were women who had PhD degrees, who had done their MBA, more educated than their husbands, and they were all sitting at home, waiting for that right opportunity or whatever right platform, या फिर वो चार लोगों के भाग जाने का जो उनको कुछ बोलते. And that sort of inspired me to start Mario.
Thank you.
I guess I'm able to convey what I wanted to convey. वो चार लोग का वेट मत करिए, they will never inspire you to do anything.
At the age of 22 or 23, I believe Anamika is doing a great job. I think we should support her.
Awesome. I really like the class also.
Anjali ji, coming to you.
Yeah.
And finally, इनकी वजह से मेरे बच्चे को मैथ्स पसंद आने लगी ...
इसका तो एक ही जवाब है कि जस्ट बिकॉज एक्चुअली मैंने जब क्यों मैं ज्वाइन किया तो माय किड्स आर ग्रोन अप नाउ, दे आर वर्किंग, बोथ ऑफ देम, माय सन एंड माय डॉटर, दे आर वर्किंग. सो बहुत टाइम था मेरे पास, दैट्स व्हाई आई जॉइन दिस क्यू मैथ. और मोर ओवर वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू गो फॉर द रेगुलर जॉब, तो उसको छोड़ने में आई जॉइन दिस. और क्यू मैथ ज्वाइन करने के बाद व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड टीचिंग, आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम माय रिलेटिव्स किड्स फर्स्ट, मेरी देवरानी के बच्चे और जेठानी के बच्चे टाइप्स, मतलब इन लोगों के बच्चे. एंड देन उनको पढ़ा के जब दे गॉट द रिजल्ट, क्यू मैथ की वजह से उनका मैथ्स इजी हो गया. You took the point, Q maths only, so I have to insert Q math in this. So now not only this, उसको Q math की ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद से math was very difficult for me. Now math has become very easy for me also. अब मैं सबको ज्ञान बांटती हूँ for the maths. अरे it is so easy, nothing is there, you can easily do it like this. I become more confident now after joining this institution.
That's lovely.
Yeah, and nowadays when I'm teaching international also, तो US के बच्चे और इंडियन के बच्चों को बहुत कंपेयर करती हूँ, तो बहुत मजा आता है कि हमारे बच्चे ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है as compared to those kids, क्योंकि वहाँ के बच्चे बहुत डिजिटल है. They don't work, they don't use paper and pen. They only do in your mind, or whether they start using their calculators from the laptop immediately. और हमारे बच्चे बेचारे आज भी वो ट्रेडिशनल फॉलो करते हैं. हम वो कहते हैं बेटा use your paper and pen, and they do that only. तो वो बड़ा अच्छा सा एक ना कॉम्बिनेशन बड़ा अच्छा लगता है बताने में कि स्टिल आवर किड्स आर वर्किंग हार्ड एंड डेफिनेटली दे आर एक्सेलिंग मोर नाइसली रेदर देन दीस किड्स. ऑल्दो सब एनआरआईज ही हैं जो बाहर गए हैं, लेकिन किड्स हैव चेंज्ड देयर. अब वो वाले किड्स नहीं रह गए हैं when we compare. So due to Q maths only, मेरे बच्चे को मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी आने लग गई है. Presently I have 25 kids. मेरे 25 बच्चों को बहुत अच्छी आती है.
That's amazing. I think maths is one subject which everybody has feared.
And it's a life skill also. Still we are using maths in our life.
That is true.
Yeah.
Have I missed on anybody? Anybody whom I've missed?
I think everybody is covered.
I believe everybody
एक लाइन कोई अपूर्वा जी के लिए भी दे दीजिए, सभी की क्लास ले रही हैं.
You have to say something now, I guess.
Arvind ji, you should dedicate time to ma'am.
For Apurva. Apurva is a lighthouse of energy, like the way she conducts.
इनको स्टार्टिंग लाइन दे दीजिए, कोई स्टार्टिंग लाइन जैसे इन्होंने हमें.
अपूर्वा के लिए स्टार्टिंग लाइन, अपूर्वा के लिए स्टार्टिंग लाइन है, जब मुझे वो मिल जाएगा तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी.
जब मुझे वो मिल जाएगा तो मैं खुश हो जाऊंगी. As of now, I am working very hard on a research project. बहुत ज़्यादा. Most of my friends don't even know कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. I just keep myself away. मैं उन्हें बताती भी नहीं हूँ कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. They find me very suspicious कि तुम एकदम से कहाँ busy होने लगी हो. So there is one person who has a lot of idea about on that research. So I am madly searching for that person. And in case of that research, I'm not going to take anybody's help. It would be a surprise for everybody कि yes, Apurva has done that. तो मैं पागलों की तरह उसकी खोज में हूँ, उस बंदे की खोज में हूँ जो मुझे उस रिसर्च के लिए हेल्प कर दे. तो I'll be crazily happy when I get that person कि हाँ फिर मेरा सक्सेस हो जाऊंगी. I'll be very successful in my research. It is related to food preservation. पिछले 3 साल से मुझे राजभवन से अवार्ड मिल रहा है अपने स्क्वॉशेस, जैम्स और पिकल्स के लिए. तो मेरे पास ये बहुत बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है टू गो अहेड इन दैट रिसर्च. So the day I get that person who can actually help me with that research, so I'll be the happiest, probably more than happy for the day when I get my husband to be. उससे ज़्यादा happy मैं उस बंदे को मिलकर होंगी, probably.
Right, absolutely right.
Let's start the treasure hunt soon. give us the leads.
And the good thing is that Apurva knows where the treasure is.
I know, but connecting with that person is extremely difficult. So बहुत बार मैंने approach करा पर नहीं हो पा रहा है. But शिद्दत से किसी चीज को चाहो तो वो जरूर मिलेगी आपको.
Right, absolutely.
Definitely.
If you're looking for food preservation, Pooja Kalra might help.
Ma'am, I'm well connected with the FCI horticulture department and everything, but there is guy, he's I think 40 to 53 years old, and he's very rigid about the people whom he talks to, and I mean one very weird person. So I'm just after his life trying to get connected with him without any source.
Priyanka, I think time to wrap up now because आप लोग पता नहीं realize करा हो या नहीं. It's been 1.5 hours almost, and I have my other session as well. I need 20-25 minutes to recover.
I hope you all really enjoyed the session.
Time का पता नहीं चला, इससे ही पता चलता है.
Yes, really.
Yes, that is a good concept.
Joined very late.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much, everybody, for joining in. We really loved your presence, and it was a wonderful morning. मतलब daily morning से तो बहुत ही अच्छी morning थी. Sunday made perfectly.
अच्छा,
आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत lively person है. This is going to be a regular thing for the team Ruby.
Yes, we would love to have it.
Every Sunday.
Before we leave,
I think let's wrap it up now.
अच्छा, okay.
Let's message each other in the group.
I'll message the whatever.
Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you for having me.